everyone, expected the guest teachers, parents, and especially to my fellow carpets distinguished. Ladies and gentlemen, it is great pleasure. Thanks to our God Almighty that welcome you all to pre-kindergarten graduation ceremony batch 2024-2025. Today is a very special day because we are waiting for pre-kindergarten. I am Slar Conori Del Campo. It's an honor to stand here and also privilege to deliver this memorable speech on behalf of our country, leaders of our main city of Las Piñas today. As we all know, it is an important day for all of us who are getting from Pilar Village. They can send to primary school. Don't talk about us that I think we deserve it a big of a round of applause. Thank you. Bird Hovers and children are most valuable natural research, so let's nurture a project because children carry the promise of beautiful and the bright tomorrow. So our wonderful teachers, especially Mrs. Gonzalan, Auntie Bola, Leonora, we call them teacher babes for teaching us. Using safety, we love and patience. You help us how to read, write, culture, and be kind to one another and bring learning fun stories, songs, and games, and we will always remember all of them. So our dear parents, grandparents, and guardians, thank you for the love and support, especially my Tita Ann and Mariam. You help us with our homework, pack our boxes, me too. We're ready for school every day. We love you so much and so my amazing friends. We had so much fun playing, learning, laughing together. I will share the good things we shared and how we stay friends through the years. Look at us, we are pre-kindergartens now. We are ready for big school now and we are going to start. Yeah, we are excited to learn from maker friends and continue to go. Thank you everyone for making our nursery journey memorable to us. It's always will be happy and celebrate this special day. Once again, congratulations to all of us and God bless you all.
Once again, let's give it a round of applause.